Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is kitchen faucet with pull-out spray. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐒𝐢𝐧𝐠𝐥𝐞. This kitchen faucet design makes your kitchen room simple and fresh, easy to match with most sinks. The single handle can easily control the water temperature and flow. The 𝐻𝐢𝐴RC 360-degree rotating nozzle provides a full range of cleaning channels. The nozzle always retracts into the nozzle after each use. Excellent corrosion resistance and anti-rust treatment prevent dirt from sticking to the surface of the faucet. It is enough to clean the faucet with a cloth for daily use. Easy to install. Pull down the hose pre-installed in the kitchen faucet and the water pipe hose together to save a lot of time under the sink. No plumber is required and DIY installation can be completed within 30 minutes. Specifications: style, kitchen faucet. Valve, ceramic valve. Water function, mixing hot and cold. Installation type, single hole. Total height, 19.68 inches. Spout height, 11.81 inches. Spout reach, 9.05 inches. Net weight, 5.95 pounds. Gross weight, 6.3 pounds. Package dimensions 25.59 x 12.59 x 2.95 inches. Color brushed nickel. Style contemporary. Material stainless steel. Installation method surface mounted. Flow rate 1.8 gallons per minute. Number of holes 1. Flush type stream / spray / pause. Handle / lever placement right. Number of handles 1. Handle material metal. Switch style toggle. About home garden guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐒𝐢𝐧𝐠𝐥𝐞.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐒𝐢𝐧𝐶 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐒𝐢𝐧𝐶 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.